Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for an adult coloring haul. Back in the day, my hauls used to be ridiculous, like huge, but eventually you get to a point where you own enough of what you need and they get smaller. But this is actually one of the bigger hauls I've had in a while, maybe. So yeah, let's start, I guess, with we'll do supplies first. Okay, so first things first, I actually had to replace something. So you're probably thinking, why are you telling me that you are replacing something? It's kind of important because when I recommend products, that doesn't mean a product I recommend lasts me forever. But this is the Tegall. I actually really like the Tegall sharpener. Some people say Tegall, some people say Tegall. I say tomato, tomato. Fun fact, the clear one is cheaper than the other colors. I don't know why. So that's why I buy it. I needed this though because I do have my Doll 133, which I use a lot. I also have my AF-mat over here. However, when my pencils get really teeny tiny and I have to go and use like an extender, I go back to the Tegall. That said, the blade in this thing really goes out after a while. And you have to replace it, but it was like $5.99, and I usually can get a good chunk of months behind there. Okay, next is the Kahukus. These were sent to me by Ohuhu. Kahukus by Ohuhu. I actually showed these on my live stream on Sunday, swatched them out and everything. So these are 48 acrylic brush paint pens. They're not bad. I have the Nahuku as well, and I was doing a comparison. These weren't too bad, but I'll give a full review later, and I've got to do like a ton of side-by-side stuff too. Alright, then we have the Ohuhu coloring set. I know, shocker, me, Ohuhu products? Wow, where'd that come from? Where is my, handy dandy? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I don't want to open this too much because I'm doing a review on it and I have a whole separate video planned. So all you're going to get is the plastic off. But this is the Ohuhu coloring set. So they have a collab set with Coco Wyo, which I've already shown you on this channel. But they also have the Jade Summer one, which I've also shown on this channel. But they had, all before that, their own, with their own coloring book and all that. Now this one comes in a binder, just like the Jade Summer one. These are the colors it includes. And so here's the fun part. I'm going to take all three of these cute collaborative sets. I should call them curated sets because this is an Ohuhu on a Ohuhu, but whatever. I am going to take them all, compare the color palettes, and tell you which is my favorite after I do a review of this one. So keep your eyes out for that. Sorry, I just can't take this off yet or open it. You're going to have to watch the video. All right. I am obsessed with these itty bitty little books. So I found another company that offered them and I wanted to try them out. Oh my gosh. If I can get them out of there. Oh, they got like little stickers. Oh, how cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with those though. Okay. Oh, and then each book is individually wrapped. That's not going to take me forever. Okay, one thing though. This brand, Gamito. So, the reason I wanted to grab these and take a look is they have a bunch on Amazon right now. However, a lot of them, I'm not even kidding you, are like legit knockoffs of the Coco Wyo ones. Like, right down to titles and the cover. Other than the fact that they replace it with their name. These were the only two I could find that didn't have a knockoff cover. So I was like, okay, well, look at these ones. But let's see. So it like has a places. So this is like your bleed through thing. Oh, I like that it has a thumb tabby though. Let's see. Okay, so it's not thick cardstock like the Coco Wyo ones, which you can get on their site. It's actually like thin paper. So I guess it's good that this is thick, because this is thick. But I mean, they're cute. I like these little minis. They're good for tutorials and testing marker combos and just practicing. I'm actually kind of obsessed with these because you really can practice like your marker blending and coloring in the cozy style. Like, look at that. That would be like perfect. And then for like a tutorial, so you're not coloring like a whole page. Not that the marker coloring takes as long as pencils, but still. Let's see what the fairy tale one is like. Kind of not really my thing. I might give this to my daughter. It came in a 2-pack, okay? I was stuck with what I got. Oh, that cupcake is cute though. But yeah, so that's what those are. Like I said, they have some that are like legit Coco Wyo knockoffs, so I didn't buy those. Room on the desk. Okay, books. Now this bad boy here is the 2-in-1, so please, please do not think this is a new book. It is a combo of the Cozy Corner book and the Comfy Corner book. If you already have them, you don't technically need this. Technically. Notice how I said technically? Because I have full set syndrome. So I don't care that it's 2 books in 1 and I already own both of those books. I have them now both here in the same book. Plus, if I've already colored a page, I get to color it again. Yeah, I realize how ridiculous that is. So just, you know what, don't judge me. I am who I am. But it's the nice paper again. I actually colored this one, and I'm so happy now because I can color it again. Ah. Yes, you could scan these and print them, but who the heck wants to do that when these books are like $8.99? This one is a little more though, but it's 2-in-1. If you want like full flip throughs of any of these books, comment below. Some I have already flipped through. Some are going to be flipped through on my other channel. So this one is a new book. So this one I did on pre-order and it came on the day it was supposed to release. Another Coco Wyo. It's, you know, the whole cozy line. Cozy vibes, cozy days. Oh, did I buy cozy days? I don't think it did. But this should have the good paper too. Oh, it does. Yes. Again, I'll do the full flip through on like my quiet coloring channel most likely. Sometimes I throw the flip throughs on here. It's just hard to do. I usually stick to ones that are like either big releases or whatnot, but another one to add to the cozy collection. I, by the way, am starting to have like literally a full shelf of these books. Not just Coco Wyo, but yeah, it's becoming a problem. But it's not a problem if you don't admit it's a problem, right? Okay. Jade Summer sent me their Cozy Life book. Yes, they sent this to me. And I like this because guess what? They are now hanging out with the crowd over at Penguin Random House, which, by the way, is the same folks for Coco Wyo. Which means better paper. No more Create Space paper. So they sent this to me. This book's actually been out a while. They just reprinted them and re-released them because it's better paper. This is actually really freaking cute. I filmed a full flip through this and I never released it. They sent me this little thing. All right. And then these 2 bad boys, you guys have actually seen flip throughs on my channel of. So I got the Cozy Gnomes coloring book from Teresa Goodridge. I still am baffled at the bad comments and reviews of this. Really. Like, I'm all for this thing. Like, I want to color in it. I'm like legit sitting there like, should I pull out my Prismas or my ink tints and color something? I like this book. I did a full flip through on this channel though, so you can go check that out. And then same thing with Hannah Carlson's Halloween book. I did do a full flip through. This one I probably won't start coloring in until October because it's very Halloween-y. Yes, I said Halloween-y. I really want to color that page, that one. But there's a full flip through, so I'll start thinking of some pages to color in here. But I can't really get into the super Halloweenish vibe if it's not October. Fall, sure. August, I'm already into the fall coloring pages. Get me some graphic tints and stuff. But if it's too Halloween, I like legit, my mental like block is like, no, you wait till October. This one I could probably color though. I made like a pink pumpkin. I think I said that in the flip through. This is one, no, I got bats. Sorry. But yeah. And she still has that also the Witch's Cottage one that's very fall and Halloween-ish. So there's that too. So overall, that is my haul. Just a few goodies. Just a few goodies. I am going probably to do like the flip throughs, like I said, on my quiet channel for these cozy books, because I color the cozy books on that channel primarily. So it just makes more sense to do the flip throughs over there. But yeah, that is my haul. It's not very big. Oh, how dare I forget like to go. But you know, here's the thing. With adult coloring, you don't have to collect everything. Yeah, sure, there's FOMO. I am a victim to it. But, you know, stick within your budget. Buy what you can afford. Don't ever feel pressured. But also, check out reviews. There's a lot of people who will be honest with you and tell you this is not worth your money. Speaking of reviews, I will be reviewing this one, so don't worry. I'll be doing a full unboxing and review very, very soon. So just be patient. I've got a lot going on. But let me know if you bought any of these books yourself, or if you're working in any of these. You want to buddy color in any of these, because buddy colors tend to motivate me a lot more than me telling myself I should be coloring. So yeah, I'd love to know what you bought this month, and until next time, take care. Bye now.